Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to update or upgrade your macOS Sonoma beta build to the final release. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process. And let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the system settings icon down in your system dock. And on the left side, you want to select where it says General, and then select Software Update. Where it says updates available, you want to select the Mac OS Sonoma update in here and select the Update Now button. And you want to agree to the license terms. Give us some time to download. Okay, so now that it has finished downloading, we're going to go ahead and restart our computer. So I'm going to go ahead and select the Restart Now button. Okay, now that we're back on our main homepage here, we're going to just go ahead and sign into our account and just give us a moment here. After a big update, sometimes it takes a little bit longer to sign into your computer. And you want to agree to the analytics here, just go ahead and select the continue button. And there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out. And hopefully now you are running the most up-to-date version of macOS. So as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.